Hello guys, today I'm going to review this new Hoover carpet basic cleaner we purchased recently, and the model is FH50150C. This has um, good features. Basically it says that it is a easy deep clean and scrubs the carpet fibers from all the angles, so it is called as 360-degree cleaning. And the scrubber has the rotating brushes which cleans the carpet nicely. Other features which we found is basically it has two separate tanks to hold the dirty water and the clean water. As per the manual and the features, this one is the lightweight. It has all the accessories included, as you see over here. It is a dual tank, as I mentioned earlier, which separates the clean and dirty water. Rotating spin 360 brushes cleans the entire carpet or carpet bristles from all the angles, and the entire complete toolkit set, which includes the 8-foot hose also. So let's open this and see that what is inside the box. On this side, these are the things which are included in the box: powered hand tool, upholstery tool, stair tool to clean the staircase, crevice tool, I don't know what exactly it is, mesh storage bag, most probably to store the accessories, and sample bottle cleaning solution. And the model is, exact model number for this one is FH50150NC. So let's open the box and see that what is inside the box. Okay, inside the box I see the manual, two manuals. Basically this is the actual manual which has all the instructions, operating and servicing instructions, and then there is a quick starter guide. This quick starter guide is going to be required to assemble this vacuum cleaner. Basically I'm saying assembling, but as such it is kind of partially assembled vacuum cleaner. We have to just attach the handle to the vacuum cleaner. So the different parts which are inside the box are the actual vacuum cleaner, the handle, the tank. Basically this is a water solution tank, clean water solution tank, hose and other accessories. And this one is the main part of the vacuum cleaner, that is the spin scrub tool, and then the bag. So let's remove each part, and then I'll show you how to assemble it. For assembling you just need the 4-head screwdriver. The screws comes with the vacuum cleaner inside the box, and these are required to attach the handle to the main body part of the vacuum cleaner. This is what we have inside the box. Basically the vacuum cleaner, clean water tank which will go on top of the vacuum cleaner, the handle, this go over here, I'll show you shortly, and the scrub technology interlocking cleaner brush, this will go at the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. And then some additional accessories for these are the handheld accessories to clean the stairs or the hard to reach area. In addition to this particular vacuum cleaner comes with the solution, Hoover carpet cleaning solution, and this is just the small bottle. I think the size of this one is 20 ounce, or yeah, small bottle. But not necessary that you have to use only this type of solution, you could use any other solution also. Over here some packing, let me remove this packing material from here. And this is the tank which is going to collect the dirt dirty water, and this is tank release lever. If you move like this, then this tank will come out very easily. Let me show you first. Let's install the handle, and then I will go over each part of the vacuum cleaner, and then we'll do the dry run of the vacuum cleaner to see that how exactly it cleans the carpet. Okay, this handle of the vacuum cleaner goes like this. It's pretty straightforward, and once it is tightly placed in place, so you have to take these two 4/8 screwdrivers and just screw them over here. If you look at here, they have the grooves. Here, one. This is first, and the second one is over here. Okay, the handle is tight. Then in addition to that, this special interlocking scrubbing brush has to go underneath the water vacuum cleaner. So underneath the vacuum cleaner, you have to just line up these grooves, and it goes like this. It is just basically just pushing it like this, and that's it. And this is for the it's not like it is going to be fit. It is for the surface to make it clean. It is intentionally, it moves up and down. So we are done with the assembly. Now, as I mentioned earlier, it has two tanks. This is one tank which we are going to fill up with the hot water. Always use hot water. Pour the solution inside this side, and this goes like this. It's like this. If you have to release the water tank, just press and remove. It's so easy. This is first part. Then the second part is this one. This tank is going to collect the dirty water. To release this tank, over here you will see tank release lever. Move this, and once it is open, just lift the tank. So this is the dirty water tank, and you could remove this entire tank. Open this one, open the above lid, remove this one, clean the tank. It's pretty simple, straightforward. And the tank goes once the tank is clean, the tank goes similar to the regular tank, that is the water tank. It place the tank on the set on the vacuum cleaner, and just lock it using the lever. That's it. Now, in addition to this, over here you have something, some kind of opening which says open, and two inlet and outlet. So this one is not required if you are just going to clean the carpet. This vacuum cleaner comes with the additional brushes, which are handled scrubber brush. This is one of them. This is second one, and this one is third one. And to use these brushes, you have to connect this brushes to the hose supplied with the vacuum cleaner. So this is the hose. This is around 6 feet hose, and it has two attachments. And the way it gets connected to the vacuum cleaner body is this part. This part will go here. It is pretty straightforward, just like this. So this part goes like this, and this one goes here, just snug it in, and now the entire vacuum cleaner work or the suction will be through this hose only. So once you are using this hose, the rotary spinner at the bottom, they won't work. And now you have to connect these connectors to the other end of the hose, and this one is also simple. Basically just line up the connector hose pipe with this, sorry, other way around, like this. And it's kind of difficult to show using the, and you, if you see here, as you push this pipe to the connector, this will click in and goes here, and that's how, and then you can use this entire assembly for scrubbing using the handheld hose. Cleaning of this vacuum cleaner is pretty easy. Everything comes out. Basically this is the clean solution tank. This comes out. If you just press this and moves like this, this comes out. You can clean it in the water, clean using the water. This is one part. Then the second part is this tank, which is a dirty water tank. This also comes out very easily. As I mentioned earlier, this is a tank release lever. Just pull it towards you like this, and once you release this, this will come out. Now in addition to this entire tank you can clean by removing this top lid. So there is a lever over here. If you remove this, then this tank will come out. So this one will also come out. So basically you can clean everything nicely. In addition to this, this portion will get dirty as you scrub the entire carpet, this entire thing, and this also you can remove. So to remove this part, if you see over here, there is a nozzle release icons. So push this here, and once you push this, this entire thing will come out like this. Okay, so cleaning is not going to be a problem for this vacuum cleaner. So I'll show you once we have done the test run, and I'll show you how to remove and clean the entire all these tanks and this nozzle area also. Now another thing, before we start using this vacuum cleaner, we have to fill up the entire vacuum cleaner tank, clean area tank, with the solution. So this one is used for pouring the solution, cleaning solution. And this particular tank, even though it looks one single piece, but internally it has two parts. One part is to keep the solution, and another part is to keep the clean water. So whenever you are using for rinse, you have to keep it on here, and for wash you have to keep it over here. So pretty straightforward. So I'm going to fill up this tank with the solution provided with this carpet cleaner, that is this one, Hoover Expert Clean, and I'm going to pour this inside this one. And the second one is I'm going to pour the hot water in this particular area. There is a fill line over here, not to exceed that water above that line, and then it is pretty straightforward. So as you see over here, this is our basement carpet. It's pretty clean as such, but over here there is a mark, and when my son plays the Xbox, he just used the tape to mark this area, and there is a mark over here. So I'm going to use this as a For the test run I'm going to clean this carpet area more and see that whether this mark goes away. And this is what the carpet looks without cleaning, and I'm going to show you the same carpet after cleaning using the Hoover scrub technology vacuum cleaner. Now let's fill up the tank with the Hoover solution over here. And then on the other side I'm going to use the clean water, but hot clean water. So I'm all set to start the rinsing and cleaning of this carpet, and this is the portion which I'm more interested in to see that whether it goes away or not. As per Hoover instructions, for rinsing they recommend not to use the solution, but just use the plain water, and for that you have to keep this knob at rinse position, and do couple of rinsing rounds and then wash it. So basically here to pass the solution or spray the solution while rinsing, you have to press this knob, but otherwise it is pretty straightforward. So I'm going to do a couple of rounds over here, and then I'll show you the exact same spot how it looks after cleaning using the Hoover vacuum cleaner. And here is the final product after cleaning the carpet using the vacuum cleaner. Very nice, and it removed the dirt and clean the carpet too.